And just so you know, that guy behind me, he's not an actor and he's not an actress. He's a real contractor and he's doing work here at this property. So right now, I'm going to pull back the curtains and show you this rehab project so you can get a sneak peek as exactly what it looks like when you're rehabbing a house. Come with me. So on this house right here, I'm going to get rid of this 2-car garage because it actually looks really bad. So we're going to demolish it. We got a huge pool over there. We actually finished up the pool deck. In here, it's 5 bedrooms, 5 baths. It has like a little in-law quarters. When you go over here, this is like going to be the in-law quarters. We're actually working on a tile right now. He's doing the tile in there. We just finished the bathroom tile. This is the wiring for the service panel. That provides electricity. All right. Now we decided to do hardwood floors in here. Hardwood floors always gives it a really good